let's have some coffee talk, all right? Let's go down the alley and talk cars. I always get asked the question, how do I become a supercar owner? How do I get access to the best of the best cars that actually give you a return on investment? Most people don't understand the world that I work in, so I kind of like to associate it with dating. Okay, number one, when you want to date someone, you have to give them your time. You have to invest your time. You have to front the bill sometimes at a dinner. You have to be willing to put in your time as well as your money to invest into someone to build that relationship, right? That's the first key point. Second thing is relationships, right? The best way of dating someone is like when you have like a friend of a friend refer you, or someone that's like, I have the perfect guy or the perfect girl for you, and they already have a relationship with someone that you're getting introduced to. I have these amazing relationships with these dealers and brands to where you don't really have to like wine and dine someone in order to like start a buying relationship with them when it comes to exotic cars. And I would say the third most important that I see time and time again that a lot of people in relationships, and that is being loyal. Loyalty is everything. You're gonna get access to the cars you want when your loyalty is proven. And I would say those three key main points play such a pivotal role in order for you to get to that market of vehicles and to where it actually brings you your return on investment.